As a result of investigating the understanding of visually impaired people by type of lecture materials, the image was 36.7% and the text form was just 56.7%. This is a low figure and it cannot be ignored that they need help. However, about 75% of domestic universities received below the general standard in the evaluation of educational welfare support, indicating a lack of support for education. Therefore, we aim to enable independent learning by providing educational opportunities for low-visibility people without disparities. Low-vision people are not completely blind, so they can selectively freely listen to text audio rather than just a voiceover function, and help them understand learning materials by providing visual assistance if they want. The purpose of our project is to solve the goals, the quality education and reduced inequalities. Google technologies used to address this include speech API, storage, functions of Google Cloud, Flutter and Google Cloud Platform. It is the primary function of this service and the process for use. First, users can easily use the service through Google accounts. Users can then access previously converted lecture materials. And you can freely create folders to classify and manage files. Users can select and convert the desired PDF lecture materials. The converted file is provided in a merged form of text and audio for it. The following features are available to the user from the converted lecture proposal. Listen to the whole thing. Adjust playback speed.
DBMS가 다음의 특성들의 SQL 언어로 각 사용자가 필요로 하는 정보인 뷰를 기술함.
User can listen to parts of each text unit and it is marked as a highlight.
중요. 왜 매핑을 하는가? 하위 레벨로부터 독립하자.
Adjust font size. Adjust image. We expect that students at low-vision universities will be able to learn independently. Thank you.